This is a short video showing how to use Walkscore. Starting from my browser, I launch the Walkscore application. So here I am in Firefox, typing in Walkscore. Up comes the page defaulting to where I live in Kitchener. Kitchener has a Walkscore of 45 for the whole metropolitan area. That's not very good. Most errands require a car. So we'll type in an address right downtown. This is 1 King Street West at the corner of King and Queen Streets, the very center of Kitchener. Here we have a walk score of 89, and most errands can be accomplished on foot. Get a map there. The more interesting map is down further. This is the time travel map, and it shows a buffer around. The distance one can, in this case, walk. You can also put in bicycle or cars or bus. But here is the 15-minute distance from Queen and King. Along two axes, there's along King Street and then along Queen Street. And that defines my 15-minute city. Of course, you can put in other address and define your own 15-minute city.